posture for so many people nowadays. And this really starts to wreak havoc, not just with your spinal alignment, but with your posture, with your breathing, core here. So what we want to try and do is work at doing the opposite to counter that position. So we lift the neck and the head up, and then pull the chin back like a drawer. So what you're imagining is you want to show somebody your double chin. Not the nicest thing to do, but just try doing this when nobody's looking. So pull back. The other great thing to do here is to do shoulder circles, and then bring your hands onto your back glutes or hips. Bring the elbows in together, and just notice that length and stretch all the way across from your chest bone to your shoulder.